Hello everyone, myself Sovan Joshi. Welcome to my YouTube channel SJ Commerce Classes. Students, today we will discuss two topics, calculation of expenses and another one is a subscription. Now topic number first, calculation of expense. For example, we have to find out the stationery consumed during the year. अगर क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया हो कि कैलकुलेट द ईयर or find out the stationery consumed during the year. Whenever you are doing the calculation at that time, first you have to write amount paid for stationery. जैसे पेमेंट अकाउंट में जो दिया होता है आपको पेमेंट साइड के ऊपर, that figure you have to write in second column. In that add opening stock of stationery, closing outstanding. अगर outstanding दिया हो closing का, then add it. Prepaid दिया हो अगर opening का, then also add it. Less closing stock of stationery, opening outstanding, closing prepaid. याद हो तो ऑलरेडी कि प्रीवियस ईयर में ये हम सीखे थे कि करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग होता है तो एड होता है, प्रीपेड होता है तो लेस होता है. प्रीवियस ईयर का हो तो रिवर्स इफेक्ट होती है, यानी कि प्रीवियस ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग हो तो लेस होगा, प्रीपेड हो तो ऐड होगा. वही यहाँ पे हमने किया है कि अमाउंट पेड फॉर स्टेशनरी प्लस ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ स्टेशनरी प्लस क्लोज आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लोजिंग, देन opening prepaid less closing stock of stationery, opening outstanding and closing prepaid. So we can get the figure of stationery consumed during the year. Amount of stationery to be debited to income expenditure account. The stock of stationery is an assets. So closing stock of stationery is shown on the balance sheet asset side. ओके, ये क्लोजिंग का स्टेशनरी स्टॉक जो होता है वो कहाँ पे शो करते हैं? बैलेंस शीट असेट साइड. While this whatever we have searched, this stationery consumed, this will be recorded in the income expenditure account. Is this clear? Now we are moving to our next topic, calculation of subscription to be shown in income expenditure account. यानी कि सब्सक्रिप्शन का 3 मार्क्स के अंदर रिसिप्ट पेमेंट अकाउंट, या तो यू हैव टू जनरेट रिसिप्ट पेमेंट अकाउंट और स्टेशनरी कंज्यूम्ड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, और maybe you have to calculate this subscription also. So subscription received during the year is given in the question. Here same closing outstanding you have to add, opening advance received also you have to add, less outstanding opening less advance received closing. So you can get the figure of subscription not receivable if I given in the question, then that also less. So that figure will be returned in the income expenditure account, income from subscription during the current year, and this figure will be recorded in income expenditure account, credit side and income side outside. If subscription and outstanding at the end as on is given, it means it include current year as well as previous year pending amount. Outstanding end का दिया हो तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है कि it include current year as well as previous year pending amount. While if subscription outstanding at the end for the year ending, it means it is only current year's pending amount. Important question is related, question number 14. This is the most IMP question related to calculation of subscription. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्रेस द लाइक बटन, share to your friends and subscribe our channel for more and more accountancy related videos. Thank you.